In this short tutorial, I'm going to cover the marquee effect within xLights. So you can find the marquee effect here. And I've already put it on 3 different props. The reason is it's a bit easier to explain if we see it on different props. So I'm going to start here with a matrix, and you can see what it does. It puts a line of pixels around the extent of the prop in question. So if we look here on a mega tree, we can see it's going around the edges of a mega tree, and here on a set of arches. So let's have a look at what the settings are. So obviously you can select multiple colors. So you can just have a 2-color, triple color, and it also supports the color curves. So if I just put those 2, you'll see that the color curve is transitioning its color over time. So let me just select a few colors again, and let me go down the settings. So the first one is the band setting, and this is actually the length of these individual bars. So if I increase that, you can see the bars are really big and smaller. Skip size puts a black area between all of the bars, so it turns the pixels off. There you can see the skip size. Thickness increases the thickness in that dimension. And the next one, stagger, you must make sure that the thickness is greater than 1 for this to have an effect. And what this does, it staggers the effect on each individual layer of pixels so that you can create a tilt-like effect like this. And you can create some quite interesting effects using that. The next one is speed. And for now I'll turn that off. Start position is the position that the effect starts in. And then obviously reverse alters the direction of the effect. We also have another tab. And what this does, this allows us to scale the effect. So here it's going around the entire prop, but if I reduce the size, you can see I can have it running just in a portion of the prop. And if I do that, I can actually then use these offsets to move it all around the prop. And this just changes whether it's a percentage or you're actually using the number of pixels. One thing I'd like to mention is the effect on a mega tree, because if you go to the layer settings and change the render style to single line, you'll find with a simple marquee effect, you can get some really quite interesting effects on a mega tree just by changing the band size and things like this, changing the skip size, thickness, stagger, speed. You can get some really interesting effects. So this is worth playing around with. So what started off as a simple marquee effect, as you can see, can actually generate some really interesting results. So until next time, see you later.